So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's start today's video. So today's video I am teaching you about what host name. So host name is basically used to display or set the system's host name. That is why we use host name. Let's say you need to how do you display the alias names of host, like if there is any alias names, how do you display? You need to use host name then -a, that will display the alias. Okay, let's say that you need to display what domain name. Let's say that you need to display domain name so that you can see domain names. So for that you need to use -d, that will display all the domain names. So there is no domain names, so it is not displaying. Okay, now let's say you need to display the fully qualified domain name. In the last this one what you were displaying only the domain name, but now you need to what display the fully qualified. So you can see that parrot is a domain name, fully qualified domain name. Okay, I mean like it is the host name, but I'm saying fully qualified domain name of host name. Okay, now let's say what you need to display all the IP addresses associated with this particular host. Let's say parrot is a host, then you need to print all the IP addresses which is present with that particular host. So how do you do that? You need to do -i will basically print the IP address which is located. Okay, so the IP address which is located, associated with that particular host name is 127.0.1.1. Okay, now let's say that you need to display the short host name. How do you do that? Host name -s. So this will display the short host name. That will be a parrot only, the short host name. Okay, so there is many I guess if you don't know how to use host name, then you can check man page. So it will display in depth how do you do host name. If you there is domain name also, there is a YP domain name, NIS domain name, DNS domain name, so you can play with this. Okay, let's say now you need to change the host name. How do you do that? So for changing the host name, sudo host name and new host name. Okay, so this will basically change the host name to a new host name. Okay, let's say I need to change the host name to macronol5. So this will basically change the host name to macronol5. So okay, so let me what specify the host name now. If I use -i, so this will, okay, so if I specify yes, I guess if I specify yes, that will print my host name. So that is how you can change the host name. Okay, so this is all up, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.